Hey guys, Chris Senior back from CNH Smallage again for another review video. This will be the first test shoot video here with the new and improved LAC stock adapter here with the Magpul stock on here. I'll be test firing here with some of my 3 dram federal ammunition right now. I got 5 rounds in a magazine, and you'll see how flat the gun is shooting over here for me. It is definitely an increase from keeping, I should say, the new stock is an increase. It's actually keeping the gun shooting flat because the original stock is on a bit of an angle, so you have a more chance, more likelihood of the gun kicking up on you when you're shooting out here for that. So this thing is definitely a good upgrade. I'll go ahead and demonstrate here right now for you guys. I am standing on a slight angle right here, but I'm the only one up here right now, so I can't do anything about it, so I apologize for that because I'm going to be standing on a kind of a weird, goofy angle right now, so I apologize for that, guys. So there you go. There's a demonstration video right there for you. 5 rounds down the pipe. It is definitely keeping the gun better on a more flat angle, so it's definitely worth the upgrade. So that's why I personally recommend this stock adapter if you have a side 4 vepr-12 shotgun. This is my 2014, and this thing works great for me, so I definitely love it, guys. I give it a 100% A+ rating here from me. So if you're in the market for getting a adapter, if you want to convert your stock from the OEM to a aftermarket like an AR-15 style stock, this is definitely a good upgrade to get if you're in the market for that specific upgrade. So if anybody has any comments, questions, whatnot, as usual, feel free to leave me a message here, and I'll try to get back to you probably within 24 to 48 hours after you leave me some kind of a comment or question, guys. So I'll see you again. Have a nice day.